It's Eric at Tri-State Public Safety, and we have a new Ford F-150. This is a slick top build for a fireman. And in the visor area, we have 2-star ULB9LDC. Those are dual color star products, Star Mini Phantoms, red, white. Those are behind a kind of the sun strip area up there, and those are with 3M VHB tape adhesive mounts. In the lower dash, we have a Feniex Fusion 2X dash light, dual color red, white. In the headlights, we're using a sound off signal headlight flasher, Feniex Fusion T3s down on the license plate area. And as we walk around here, we also have for intersection visibility, we have T3s mounted in the lower fog light area. We reused a lot of the customer's lighting that he had previously purchased. So on the toolbox, these are actually Feniex Cobra T6s. Come around to the back. In the reverse light area, we have Feniex cannons, dual color red, white. Feniex T3s on the license plate bracket, and then Feniex Cobra T6s on the toolbox as well. The siren you heard, if you didn't see the model number, that is a Carson SC1022 volunteer siren, little handheld remote. It's a 100 watt siren, does a great job, very popular siren, and that is an electronic mechanical cue siren that you heard. That's one of the options for siren tones. We did wire his reverse lights, or his cannons to his reverse lights, so those will come on when the vehicle is put into reverse. So he just needed something simple but effective, and he wanted to reuse a lot of his current equipment that he had already purchased. Kind of reuse equipment from his last vehicle. So that's it. Brand new Ford F-150, all outfitted, ready to go. And he is using a Feniex Triton speaker as well. If you guys have any questions, just give us a call, 513-422-5775. And thanks for watching.